All right. We did a easy, very easy version of "You Know My Name" by Tasha Cobb, and we've been getting crazy hits on it. So we're going to add some more to it. So after you do that easy one, come to this one and add some stuff to it. Stephen, the voice master, what I call him. All right, we're going to give you some nice voicings to make this real beautiful. So do what you did, but just do them and hold each one so people can see what you did.
Yes, sir. You know my name.
Good. There you go. That's the 4 chord in D flat, but just a beautiful way to do that major ninth.
See what I did there? The inside voices. And then you know my name. You know my name. And what I did there was major, minor, major. Well, minor, major, minor.
Okay. Now left there, make sure it's held. There you go.
You know my name.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And then, let's say, oh, how you walk.
Woo, beautiful.
Oh, how you down. That I am your own.
All right, let's do those. Hold those.
Oh, how you talk with. Same things, but same thing on the right hand, but just the left hand's changing. It's one. Oh, how you tell me that I am your own. And that's it for that part. Now we get to the fun part.
Okay.
No fire can burn me. No battle can turn me. No mountain can stop me.
church now. All right, so let's behold each one.
Now my hands are my fingers are a little long.
Yeah.
So if you can't reach that far, you can just do this.
If you would like more lessons like that, subscribe to us on YouTube and click the bell button beside subscribe if you would like to be notified when we put up new lessons. If you are really serious about what we do, join our PlayByHear website. Take a look at it by clicking the link below. All right, we'll see you online.